Welcome back to Griddle Grub, and today we are going to be making a broccoli beef stir fry. It's kind of like what you can get at like a Panda Express, that type of deal, but this is gonna be way better, guarantee that. But yeah, let's come in, check out these ingredients, and we'll get the cook started. All right, so here's what we got here. We got over here some scallions. We're gonna put them on at the end. And we got the beef here. This is 1.1 pounds of flank steak that I sliced up into thin slices. Got half of a sweet onion, I'd say about half a pound of broccoli here, and then this right here is this is key. This is the homemade stir fry sauce. So, all right, I'm gonna get the Blackstone going, and we're gonna get it going. All right, we got the Blackstone warmed up. Let's get some oil on here. Running low on oil. All right. We're gonna start off with the broccoli. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm gonna throw a little butter in there too. Get that going good. Put the broccoli down. There we go. Let's just get this in a pile right here. Now I'm gonna cover these up. All right, let's cover them up. Just gonna leave them go for a few. And you know what? Let's get the onion going too. All right. Just get them going. These aren't gonna take long at all. Actually, I don't think the broccoli will either. Let's put a little pepper. I'm not gonna put any salt because there's quite a bit of salt in the sauce, which all the ingredients for that are in the description below. All right. Oh man, you can smell that pepper going. See what temperature we're working with. I'm gonna turn these. I'm gonna turn these two up to like a medium high. We're at 330, about 300. All right, we're gonna let that go and that go. All right, so let's check on this stuff here. Yeah, these are just about done. I still want a little crunch to them. I don't want them all soggy. Let's take a look at the. I'm gonna push these over. I'm gonna turn this burner all the way low. See what's going on with this. Ooh, buddy. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Oh man, I love the smell of the grilling broccoli. There we go. I'm just gonna put them back in there. Let them keep going. I'm gonna put a little water in here. There we go. Let them steam up a little bit. The onions. Yep, we're done with them. You know what? I'm gonna move. Yeah, I'm gonna move these. There we go. Get them good. All right. See, it's wanting to run away. There we go. Let's get a little more oil down. I'm gonna get the meat going right here. All right. Oh yeah. That's looking good. Yeah, I trimmed off some of the fat, but I left some on there because fat means flavor. That's what that means. All right, let's just let that go. I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt and pepper on this though. All right, let it go for a minute, see what happens. Let's see what's happening with the broccoli now. Oh, it's still looking good. There we go. You know what? I think I might be done with you. Oh, yeah. Got a little bit of char happening. That's good. They feel soft, but not too soft. All right, you know what? Let's get this onion involved with the broccoli. There we go. All right. And you know what? I am going to cover this back up and just let these cook together for a minute. So I think that will help bring out some more of them flavors. There we go. All right, let's see what's going on with this meat. Oh yeah. Boy. Yes, that is looking good. Ooh, burn me. You know, I'm gonna turn these down a little bit. I got so this one's all the way on medium. We got a medium here, medium, all of them. Let's make sure we get all these flipped. There we go. Ooh, yeah, this flank steak, it seemed like it was really tender. I think this is gonna be real nice. All right. Trying to flip all the pieces. Trying to hurry up and get her done. All right, we're good. All right, let's see what's happening. I know these are done, so I'm gonna turn these two burners off. Ooh, buddy. I love a little char on my stuff. That looks so good. All right, yeah, these are done over here. This meat, I'd say we just got, actually, I mean, this is done. You can have red, a little red in there. That's no problem at all. So let's put everything together. Oh, buddy, you see what I got here? Ooh, man, this is looking good. All right, I'm gonna dish some of this up for you so you can get a peek at what I got. You see what I'm doing, guys. This looks so good. My wife, she did fix up some white rice, but you guys know how to make white rice. We're here for this. That sauce is amazing. Oh my gosh. The steak is nice and tender. I cooked it to maybe a medium or so. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Broccoli and the onions are perfect. This might be the best one I've done, I swear. This is so good. It's like perfect flavor on everything. That sauce that I made, it's so good. Definitely make this sauce and put it on something because this is crazy good. And you guys saw, I mean, this cook probably took, I don't know, what do you think? 10 minutes? Yeah, that was super quick. It was super easy on the Blackstone. This is why I cook everything on the Blackstone. It's so easy. All right, get out of here, fly. All right, well, that's all I got, guys. I appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.